For years, I thought my afternoon fatigue was normal, brain fog, low focus, sloppy decision after lunch. I blamed stress and workload. What I didn't realize was that my eating habits were quietly sabotaging my performance. Once I fixed how I prep my meals, everything else, energy, focus, and result, started to improving. Most busy professionals don't eat badly on purpose. Whatever is the fastest, whatever is available, whatever shows up at their desk. The problem isn't discipline. It's the system. When your food requires daily decision, your willpower slowly drains and your performance drops with it. Instead of cooking every single day, I switched to meal prep. Three proteins, a few vegetables, simple starches. Everything prepped in one focused session and stored in a single portion. No recipe during the week, no thinking, just automatic balanced meals. This changed everything. Suddenly, eating healthier didn't require motivation, it was the default. Balanced meals meant stable blood sugar, fewer crashes, and clearer thinking about longer work days, and clear thinking during longer work weeks. Lunch stopped being a productive risk and became a professional advantage. The beauty of this approach is that it's scalable with ambition. As workload increases, the system holds. You're not cooking more, you're thinking less. Healthier eating becomes boring in the best way possible. Free mental space for creativity. Success isn't about just working harder, it's about removing invisible drains on your energy. For me, meal prep wasn't about food, it was about control. Control over my own focus, my health, and my performance. Follow for more.